The second unit of this course specifically tries to address the following course competencies listed for this course. 1. Examine the general characteristics of the various classes of solar system objects. 2. Describe the solar nebula hypothesis for the origin of the solar system. And 3. Describe the geologic and atmospheric processes, properties, and features associated with various planets, moons, and minor bodies. The 5 chapters assigned to this unit, the homework assigned from those chapters, the quizzes for each of those chapters, and the unit test, as well as the first essay, attempt to prepare you for those course competencies. Successful completion of these readings and assignments should make you comfortable addressing that which those competencies address. The essay specifically addresses the properties of the atmospheres of 3 terrestrial planets, that of our own planet, Earth, and that of Mars and Venus. Comparison and contrast can best be used to learn about these very different atmospheres, and much insight can refocus us on concerns we have about our own atmosphere and its ability to sustain life on this planet. Chapters 5 and 9 give overviews of the evidence that exists to support our current models of how the solar system may have formed. In Chapter 9, we learn about the smaller bodies included in the solar system, the bodies that have remained for the most part unchanged since the solar system formed. They give the fingerprints of our investigation. Chapter 5 presents an overview of the formation of the solar system, using the evidence gathered from those objects and other sources to lead, scientifically, not gut reaction, to a unified model consistent with the evidence we currently have on hand. This is how real science is done, what is referred to as critical thinking. Critical thinking is what is hoped that students can take away from this course. Chapter 6 shares information about the terrestrial planets, those planets most similar to our own planet. It looks at the surface comparisons and contrasts between Earth, Mercury, Venus, and Mars. It explores how the applications of ideas learned in various planets can be pulled together to account for what is seen on the surfaces of these planets, providing the context for understanding what our telescopes and our orbiting and landing spacecraft have revealed on those other worlds. Chapter 7 continues this, concentrating on the atmospheres and how various planets with them or without them have come to have the atmospheres that they possess. This chapter may prove a resource, one of several that you will want to provide, supporting what you write in your first essay. Chapter 8 looks at the outer planets, the Jovian planets, which have also been referred to as the gas giants. Each of these worlds are huge compared to the terrestrial planets, with atmospheres far greater in volume. And despite their common label, these are 4 different worlds, each with their own properties, making them individually unique. In summary, these 5 chapters provide the framework for our further exploration beyond our solar system. We look for planets orbiting other stars, perhaps to find life on those worlds. Our understanding of the comparisons and contrasts of the worlds making up our own solar system can provide a guide of what to look for as our gaze turns outward from our world.